Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the error code 268 on Roblox very easily. So this error is quite annoying, and yeah, it pops up quite often when you're playing a game or just when you're on Roblox. And basically the first thing you need to check is your Wi-Fi. So are you connected to your Wi-Fi, or are you on your data? Just check if you're on Wi-Fi. Do not play on your 4G or 5G. Just play on data or on Wi-Fi. If you're on the Wi-Fi, of course, switch back to Wi-Fi. But basically, if that not works and you keep disconnecting, you keep getting this error, you need to go to your PC settings or your Mac settings or phone settings, and basically just deinstall and remove the game, remove Roblox. So just go to Roblox and tap on remove or remove to bin. So basically that's it. You can just remove this game, and it's important that you need to know your passwords, otherwise you can log in again. So know your passwords and just remove the game, install it again, check your Wi-Fi, check if there are other players on the same network playing, otherwise that can maybe cause a bit of error when you try to play Roblox. So in summary, just check your Wi-Fi. If that's not working, uninstall the game and then install it again, and then you can play again, hopefully. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.